Barrington Youth Football, Flag Football, White Division Super Bowl. And now we're going to have the singing of the national anthem, and with us is Callie Drag. Would all rise, and gentlemen, remove your hats.
Stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets were clear, the bombs bursting in
Thank you, Callie. So tonight is a culmination of a lot of hard work by 36 teams, 72 coaches, 400 players, 25 refs, and the flag committee. Tonight, the Super Bowl matchup is between the home team, the 49ers, and the White Division Colts. I'd like to introduce tonight's reffing staff. We have Matt Byocean,